welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I would film a fun video because I finally feel like my room is in a state where I'm ready to show you guys. So today I am going to show you my apartment in Flamingo Crossings. So I live in a 4x2, so that means there's 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So basically it means that every 2 people share a bathroom, but we still have our very own rooms, as you can see. Yeah, I'm going to show you around, and this is the accommodation that you get if you're living in Flamingo Crossings, doing the DCP or the CRP. So for example, you might be doing the college program, or you might be a cultural representative. I am a cultural representative for the UK. I'll show you around. I have been here for about 2 months, so it could very much change in the next few months, but this is where it's at right now, and I'll talk you through some bits and bobs that I've collected, what I brought with me, and how it's looking. But yeah, I'll show you around my room, I'll show you around the bathroom and the sink area, and yeah, if you guys have any questions, please do comment below. But yeah, let's get started. So right now I'm actually in this half of the apartment all by myself. I have a new roomie moving in about a week and a half into the other room, and I only just lost my old roomie. I thought it was a perfect chance to show you guys because you can see kind of how I've set it up and then what space you would have if you were just moving in, for example. So this is the bathroom, or this is the sink area. You also get the actual toilet and shower in that room, which I will show you in a moment. But this is my side, and this is the side that the new roomie is gonna get. So I put some little hooks up, so we have some little hand towels here. Well, this one needs a wash because look at that, but that's gonna go in the wash soon. But I have 2 little stitch hand towels. This one I sometimes use for the beach, and I also have some Halloween decor. So I've got this pumpkin and also a little campfire light because it does get really dark in here. I just got this whole organizer for my makeup, for my deodorant, for my sun cream, for all my little bits that are just toiletries so that I can easily access them. It even has cute little drawers. So I got that off Amazon. I think it was like $10 or something. It was dead cheap. Got some air freshener as well because we like the apartment smelling fresh. And I got these cool hand soaps as well. So one of them is from Bath and Body Works, and one of them is from Walmart, and one is cinnamon flavored. Not flavored, scented. Don't eat it. And the other one is vanilla, and yeah, I love my orange scented flavored things. It's my favorite color. So we've gone for the orange autumnal theme, even though it is literally autumn now, but it will probably just stay that way for the rest of the year. This is actually a medicine cabinet. I do not use it for that because I will just forget to open it, so that's just empty. But you can put stuff in there. You got a few cupboards at the bottom, so this one's storing all my cleaning stuff. This one is just sort of like spare toiletries and things that I don't need just yet, but I'm storing for later. So hand soaps, I don't know, sun cream, shampoo, I've got a steamer in there, spare makeup stuff, so that's just for now until I need it, and then I'll put it out on the counter when I need it. So yeah, this is my area of the sink, and yeah, as I say, ginormous mirror, literally the size of the entire room. So if you're a new roomie, you get this side, you get the sink, you get the empty cupboards here. Oh, I don't know what's in that one. And you'd also get like the medicine cabinet and all this area as well. So I'll quickly show you the bathroom before we get into the main bit, but I also put this little whiteboard up here. For some reason the actual bit there is wonky. It's not in the middle, so it's a bit wonky donkey, but anyway. I got this from the Epcot cast celebration, so just repping my Epcot. Also this for going around the World Showcase, and we also have tons of these Mickey stickers. So yeah, probably when my new roommate comes, I'll probably put a little note on the board, but yeah, I just thought it'd be cute. Put some little notes to each other. I don't know. Right now I've just been using it to doodle on, but it's empty at the moment. So yeah, this is the bathroom. It is right next to the sink area. So it's quite a good bathroom. You got room for 2 towels, so this will be my one, this will be my roomie's one, and you also have a shower. Not all of them are walk-in showers, some of them are like a bath shower, which I would have maybe appreciated. I love a bath, but this does me okay. I got this little bath mat because it's pretty, and this is my stuff that I've currently got in the shower. But yeah, it's just a normal shower. It's quite big and spacious, so lots of space for you and your roomie. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Just a big old shower. And also a toilet, of course. And yeah, we have a bin in ours. I don't know if that came with it or whether we bought that, but that is there since I got here. And then there's also room for toiletries and cleaning stuff more likely, but yeah, we keep all our bathroom cleaning stuff in this massive cupboard. There's plenty of room in there. So let me turn off that. I did not realise how loud that was. So let me take you into my bedroom. So I am in the furthest away bedroom from the front door, and I am in bedroom D. So this is all the stuff I've got on the wall. I got this lovely card from a little girl on like my second day of work. She gave it to me, and it says "Making Magic in the United Kingdom." On the back I'm pretty sure it says something about thank you for being lovely, a cast member, something like that, but it's really sweet. I brought this with me from home. It says surround yourself with love and light. Just thought it was really pretty, and I like colourful cute things. My sister got me this print of my costume, so that is living on the door. We also have this Adventure Time print of Marceline and of Princess Bubblegum and Bimo with all their Pride stuff. It's very cute. I've had that print in my room at home for a long time, but I thought I'd bring it with me just because it's super cute. So let me close the door and I'll show you around. Look at me in my little Crocs, by the way, guys. So on the back of the door I have a Stitch backpack that I very occasionally use, but he's cute. He doesn't store much, but I love him very much. I also have this corksicle not a backpack, side bag. It has a space for a water bottle. It's Mickey, and yeah, he is really cute. I like him a lot. Very cute. Hell yeah. We also have my pin collection. I put this little hook up, but I have a couple of pins so far. I've been doing a little bit of pin trading, so you can see a little bit of what I've been up to. And I also have my Flamingo Crossings card on the little hook here, just so I don't forget it when I leave. I mean, I can't really lock the door without it, so I very rarely, if ever, forget it, but that's just a really convenient place to know where it's always going to be. And then yeah, this is just an overview of the configuration of my room. The bed used to be like in the corner over here, facing that way, with the head towards the door. Terrible feng shui. I cannot do that. So I moved it near the window, and so my head is against an actual wall and not next to the door. And I feel like this configuration is a lot nicer. But yeah, I put the drawers over there, the little side table that you get over there, and then I actually purchased this set of shelves from Amazon for like $25. It's actually plastic, but you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know. So over here is that table I mentioned. A lot of people use it as a side table. I've just put it in the corner over here, but I've got my little Veil Bigfoot plushie from Disneyland Paris. I just recently bought this guy from Epcot from the China pavilion. We called him Crispy because we got him after we got our Crispy Duck, Hoisin Duck bao buns. And yeah, I just thought it was really cute, and I was wanting him for ages. I was really unsure whether to get him, but I finally caved and I got my little red panda. This is my trader bag of pins, so some of them are ones that I bought from Cast Connections, and some of them are ones that I've just traded for and I'm ready to trade again. But yeah, I've got quite a few pins that I'm ready to put on some pin boards there to maybe get some more of my collections. I've also got this memory box down here, so I've just been keeping bits and bobs in here that I've collected, so like badges. I've got these that they gave me from the Ron John Surf Shop, the Mickey's Not So Scary, this I got from Traditions, passport, things I got for my birthday, that's from Mickey's Not So Scary. But yeah, I'm keeping it all in this box for now, just as a little memory so I don't lose it all, because it can very easily just end up everywhere in my room. So on the side as well, I got this sunset lamp, so it just makes it a bit more vibey. I don't tend to use the big light because I'm not a big light girly. I've got a couple of my electronics and also this Dale plush that I brought with me. And I also brought this little box with me. It just carries mostly electronic stuff. I keep my name badge in here when I'm not wearing it. And I've also got this Stitch Funko Pop as well, and lots of charging bits. So this charges my watch, AirPods, phone, and yeah, I've got a little coaster I got from Walmart as well, where I've got this water bottle at the moment and my phone is charging there. So this is like my charging station. I also have 4 drawers. You know what a drawer looks like. It's about this deep. It carries my clothes. Yeah, all of them carry just clothes. So pretty much just my shorts and my pajamas because I hang up all my t-shirts. And then over here I have a bit of a picture wall. So I brought that poster with me that says to all who come to this happy place, welcome. And then I just have lovely pictures of me, my friends, my girlfriend, just things that I like. So like golden retrievers and Stitch and Epcot, and yeah, and Zelda's over there. That's me and my girlfriend. Yeah, really cute. I also got this comforter from Amazon when I got here. I did bring another one with me, but then this one I just got as a little treat because it's really soft. It's like very silky material, and it's in this orange color with little tassels. I also have my hoodie that I brought with me. This is always really nice because the apartment can get cold, but we like it cold because it's so hot outside. And we also have my 2 Cuddlies style teddies. I don't know if that Dale is actually a Cuddlies, but the May is. It's a Japanese version of the May Cuddlies, but I have Dale and May because they're some of my favorites. I also have this lovely Stitch blanket that I got from Asda from George. So this is my little bed area. It's super cozy and I love it very, very much. I also have this sign, and this is Welcome to the Good Life. At night it looks really nice when it's all lit up, and it just like brings a very cozy vibe to the room. I just hate using the big light, you know? It's just so much nicer. And my view outside the window is some apartments and a bunch of palm trees. I also got some posters from Five Below. So I got this one that says let your light shine, and then around the corner I have this big tiger. But yeah, I just wanted to brighten up the room a little bit. I'm very much a colourful room girly. I cannot stand white walls and white everything, so I got that for my room. And then I also have this shelf which I mentioned, and on it I have the bunny mansion. So this is me, my girlfriend, and all of our pets. This is not updated because we now have 7 bunnies and there's only 5 on here. 5? Yeah, there's only 5 on here. We have 7, but that's us too. That's what she got me before we left. I have my work new emo, so it's like my mini me. She's wearing a little bow, she's wearing my costume. And I also have some lounge flies. So I have the Stitch one that is a box lunch exclusive. I have the Stitch camping one, and then this is what my sister got me for my birthday. It is a Stitch, just fluffy Stitch backpack. I don't know, he's really cute. I like him. He's not a lounge fly, apparently he's like my universe or something, so that's really cool. But yeah, as you can tell, I'm a Stitch fan, so we have lots of Stitches. I'm currently standing on this tiger rug that I got from Five Below. Five Below is so good for all that sort of stuff. So yeah, look at this corner, is like one of my favorite parts of the room, I think. I just really like how it looks. So yeah, that's a nice little zone. I also bought some little boxes. So these have some bits and bobs in them. So this one is like full of ears. This one has got bags in it, so little tote bags. It's also got my new emos in it that I sometimes use. So I've got Stitch and I've got Russell, and this one is just random stuff. Currently it is something that I bought for my girlfriend from Cast Connections. I'll really quickly show you, but I bought her this Groot t-shirt. So there he is, little Groot. So I'm gonna collect things maybe for her in that little box, but also just like gifts for friends and family probably, because I might get some bits and bobs for my sister if I see them in Cast Connections as well. And then also I forgot to show you guys as well, we do get these little boxes for under the bed, these little drawers, so you can actually lock these if you want. But I'm currently keeping just water under this one, and then just other bits and bobs, just random stuff in there. You don't need to see inside that one, because that is literally just my junk drawer. Everyone needs a junk drawer. That is mine. So yeah, you also get this big area with the mirror. So yeah, sometimes if you have your bed in front of the mirror, you might wake up and see yourself in the mirror. I have mine in the corner, so I don't do that, but it's a plenty big enough mirror. I love having a full-length mirror, so this is what I get ready in front of most days. Around it I have more pictures. We've got the postcards from every single country in the World Showcase. We've got the maps of all the different parks, and then just some more artwork because I'm a really big illustration lover. So I bought these from home as well. These are some posters of different birds that you can find around the world. So we've got pigeons and we've got corvids. So these are kind of like your magpies and stuff like that. And these are your pigeons and doves, which I don't know if you guys know, but there's a lot of species of pigeons and doves. But they're really colourful and pretty, and I'm just a bird lover, so I like those. They're really cute. So inside your wardrobe, one of these slidey ones, there's plenty of space. So I've kept my luggage in here. I've got all my t-shirts. As you can see, I have very many t-shirts. I'm a graphic tee lover. This isn't even all of them because some of them are in the wash basket. That's my spare duvet, and I've kept my shoes on the top. And then if we switch over to the other side, we've got my work bag, my laundry bin, my bin for just rubbish, which I take out every so often. I'm keeping my costumes in the corner over here, all laid out nicely. And yeah, that's pretty much the entire cupboard. This side's more like hoodies and jackets and stuff, because believe it or not, it will get a little bit cold in the winter time, more like January, February. But yeah, I just got this Ron John Surf Shop one as well. That was really cool. And I've got some more shirts for like official stuff. Yeah, that is pretty much everything, I think. Yeah, so this is just another overview of the room. I will come out the door so I can show you a little bit better. Back out into the bathroom. But yeah, this is what everything looks like. But yeah, if you have any questions, please do let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed the room tour. This is what everything is looking like so far, and I'll probably do an updated one in the future as to the state of it as I'm leaving, because I'm sure it will get a lot more full with stuff. But yeah, this is where I'm at right now, about 2 months into my program. Really enjoying myself, having a really great time, and yeah, I just love having a cozy little room to retreat to. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe if you like Disney content. I post as much as I can when I can, so thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon.